How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to reduce underarm odor. So before we begin, please subscribe to my channel, guys. If you haven't already, I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me or buying some cool fitness gear and health gear, have a look in my description box right now, you guys. So let's get started. I know me personally, you guys, I sweat a lot. I do a very physical job. I work as a garbage man, you guys, so I'm constantly sweating throughout the day. You guys too, you may be sweating. Some things that I have noticed too is that a lot of people, when they start thinking about the sweat, they'll start sweating more. So it has a little bit to do with their mind and their subconscious mind. And again, if you try not to think about it, your brain does not register not. So if you think, I'm not going to think about this, I'm not going to think about it, your subconscious mind, you are thinking about it. I know it seems very weird. Best thing to do is just don't think about it. You won't sweat as much. So let's get started. What actually makes under your arms smell? Is it sweating causing the underarm odor? Underarm odor isn't caused by your sweat, but instead it's by the bacteria that's attracted to the places where you sweat the most, such as your feet, your thighs, and your underarms. So it's not actually the sweat, you guys, it's the bacteria. So your body contains two types of sweat glands, your eccrine and your apocrine sweat glands, you guys. So two types of sweat glands, again, eccrine and apocrine. Now, eccrine glands open directly onto the surface of your skin. For example, when your palms sweat, the perspiration comes from the eccrine glands. Apocrine glands open into your hair follicles, secreting a thicker sweat that is usually connected to underarm odor, you guys. So eating certain types of food such as garlic, fish, and other spicy foods, and even alcohol, can make your underarm odor smell worse. So studies have shown that eating red meat can also make underarm odor bad, whereas a diet without it might improve the smell. In my opinion, you guys, I wouldn't worry too much about the red meat. If it was me, I wouldn't be eating like a pound of ground beef a day. A quarter pound, half pound, even that's fine. Just don't go like extremely insane on the red meat. So how can we get rid of that nasty underarm smell? Here's the thing, you guys. Eating chlorophyll-rich foods can neutralize other foods that can cause underarm odor. So chlorophyll foods are going to be your spinach, your kale, your Roman lettuce, parsley is another one. Generally, the greener the vegetable, the more the chlorophyll it will have. So even kiwi, avocado, and pistachios are very high in chlorophyll, you guys. So some tips that I do to eliminate body odor is to make sure you trim your underarm hair. Very important. If you're a guy, I highly recommend using scissors. If you're a girl, you can completely shave it or wax it. So as a guy, I never like to completely shave my underarms. If you guys see right now, you guys can see my underarm. What I do, and again, this is just my personal preference, but I like to leave a little bit of hair. Keeps you a little bit masculine, and you don't want to completely shave it, in my opinion. If you're a guy, it's gonna get super itchy. So for me, I just like to trim it with scissors. That's my personal, that's just me, though. By getting rid of the extra hair, though, there will instantly be less smell because the bacteria will not have as much room to hide anymore. So before, what I would do, you guys, I would have so much hair. Like my hair would literally, from here, you could see the hair like sticking out underneath my arms, you guys. So it was long, it was very long. And like a lot of you guys, I mean, most people, they do not cut their underarm hair. I would do that. That's me. It's gonna get rid of the smell, and instantly, like boom, just like that, instantly you will have less smell, because again, that hair is a breeding ground for bacteria, and bacteria is what's causing the smell, not necessarily you sweating. Okay, what's some other things that you can do? Make sure you are bathing daily and washing your arms with soap. I know this may seem kind of obvious, but a lot of people don't do that. They'll bathe 2-3 days, they'll go a couple days without showering. You cannot do that, you guys. What I do every day that I work out, instantly after I'm done working out, I will shower. On days that I work, right before going to bed, I will shower. So again, if you work out, that after doing your routine, you're going to want to shower as soon as possible. Try not to go all day without showering, or you will start to smell, you guys. I recommend showering again after the gym, then shower before bed. The reasoning behind this, even if you are done your workout at 4 p.m. and you go to bed at 11 p.m., that is 7 hours that you have allowed your body odor to build up. If you go to bed without showering, then your bed and your sheets will have accumulated that bacteria that's underneath your arms, and you're going to even smell worse, and your bed sheets are going to smell pretty bad. I've also found, again, that anxiety or being in a nervous state can cause a high degree of sweating. The minute you start to think of it, the minute you start to think about sweating, you're going to sweat more. It's as simple as that. The best advice that I can give you for not having body odor that smells is to follow my tips, you guys. But at the same time, stop worrying about the body odor. The minute you stop worrying about it, your smell is going to be at least 50% less, and you're not going to be stressed out anymore. And guess what? Most people don't even care about the smell, to be honest. Most people do not care. And what I have found out is that when you worry about something, chances are that you care way more than the people that are actually worrying about it. So don't worry, remain stress-free, have and live a happy life, you guys. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like the video and share it. Thanks, guys.